In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up online banking with Citizens Bank Mobile full tutorial. We'll walk through the entire process from the very first click so you can enroll with confidence and know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official Citizens Bank website. Some branches use the address MyCitizens Bank, but always make sure you're on the legitimate site by looking for the padlock icon in the address bar and checking that the URL is spelled correctly. It's a good idea to avoid public Wi-Fi during enrollment and to close any unrelated tabs to keep things simple and secure. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner for the login button. Click that to open the secure sign-in area. Even though you're not a registered user yet, this is the right place to begin. Depending on your branch or account type, you may see options for personal or business. Choose the one that matches your account so the system can guide you correctly. On the login screen, find the link that says Enroll or Sign Up. Sometimes it may say First-Time User. Click that to start the enrollment flow. The bank will guide you through a series of screens designed to verify your identity and connect your existing account to online banking. Take your time here. Accuracy matters. You'll be asked for personal details and account information to confirm who you are. Be prepared to enter items such as your full name, date of birth, and the last 4 digits of your social security number, along with account identifiers like your account or card number. If you have multiple accounts, start with the primary one you use most often. The system may send you a one-time code by text, call, or email to verify it's really you, so keep your phone nearby and enter the code promptly if prompted. As part of enrollment, you'll create your online credentials. Choose a unique username and a strong password that you haven't used elsewhere. A strong password typically includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. You may also set up security questions and confirm your preferred contact method for alerts. Review any terms and disclosures, then submit. When everything is verified, you'll see a confirmation that your enrollment is complete. From there, return to the login area, sign in with your new credentials, and you're ready to manage your accounts online. If any information doesn't match or you can't complete a screen, pause and contact customer support using the official site's help options. That way you can finish enrollment securely and get the most out of your online banking.